Yo, hello guys, welcome once again to Forex Success. Okay, this is a very quick video on how you can trade crash and boom with this powerful strategy. Yeah, so as you can see, I placed a sell because the condition is made for me to catch a spike using this strategy. Like I told you guys, this strategy is very powerful and it works. Of course, you will see that on this video live and direct. Of course, yes. So you see the positions I took. Crash 1000 index, I placed a sell. Why? Because the condition is met. Look at it, the red moving average has crossed above the green at the overbought level, as you can see. So I'm waiting for it to spike. Guys, please watch this video from the beginning to end so that you learn perfectly what I put in consideration before I place a trade. And as you can see at the top level, you can see the a resistant level, which we also apply as force to push to resist the market from crossing that resistant level. So the market is expected to push this resistant level is expected to push the market down, which will result to a spike. Of course, it will result to a spike, and that is the opportunity we want to take right now to catch the spike. And seeing that the 1 minute time frame strategy is giving us a sell signal. So guys, considering, okay, let me add more position. Considering the fact that the 15-minute time frame is showing us a resistant level, the current market now is at this resistant level, and the 1 minute strategy is giving us a sell, which is the red moving average course above. And you can see from the 5-minute time frame, the market is currently at a resistant level, which we all know before it can break through the good guys. You can see the spike with this powerful strategy, crash and boom strategy. You see the spike, guys. We just got the spike right now. So these are things I always tell you to put in consideration. If you check the 5-minute time frame, target, support and resistance level, they play a vital role in this trading, guys. Support and resistance level, you can use it to your favor in catching spikes. I'll make a video of how support and resistance level affect spikes. Yeah, I'll do that very soon, guys. Okay, so you can see we got the spike with this powerful strategy. Guys, this strategy is good. I'll show you how you can set your indicators for those of you that don't know how to. But guys, this strategy is the killer strategy for crash and boom. It's a spike catching strategy. As you can see the up and down movement of the market. So I'm gonna hold this trade for the market to come down probably to this level. Of course, I'll hold on for it. So yeah, analyzing it, I'm holding on for it to cross down and seeing from the 5-minute time frame, the red moving average cost above, even the 15-minute time frame, the red moving average cost above the black. So I'm expecting the sell. So these are the indicators you use for the strategy: just the commodity China index, moving average, and the market facilitation index. So for the commodity China index, the period 14 apply to typical price levels, -100 and 100 star is green. Use the color green. Okay, you can take a screenshot right now so that you can set it later for yourself. Good. The levels -100 and +100. Use the color of your screen. Yeah, so 2 picks there. That's the properties for it. Then you click save and then you're done. The next indicator which we'll be using, you can see, guys, still coming down. The next indicator is the moving average, which is period 10. You put it on shift 0 method, simple, apply to close, levels 0. The star is red. Use color red for pixel. You can see, then you click done. Last indicator, market facilitation index. Of course, the volume tick, the MFI up, green, black, and green, just as you see on my screen. Take a screenshot, guys, and start using this strategy. This is the last indicator for this strategy. Guys, once again, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop new videos for you guys, of course. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up and drop good comments. Please don't drop bad comments, we don't need that here. Okay, this is Forex Success, and if you don't know what we're trading on Deriv. The link is at the description below to open an account. It's only Deriv that offers synthetic indices. Of course, that's it, guys. So this is crash and boom strategy to make money. Guys, please, support and resistance level, it affects the market to the direction of the spike. Yes, it does. Look at this face. Just look at this face. this area. You can see the market move to the upside. It comes down again at a support or resistance level. Look at the support level. The support level is the downside of the market. As you can see, the support level is a point where a market reached a level at the downside that the market reached, then pull back, and again the market come down again to that same level and then pull back. That is noted as a support level. You can see the support level right here. You can see the support level right here. The market came down, went up, came down. The same levels went up. So since you're trading crash, you're targeting the resistance level, because it will be pushing the market down for crash to the direction of your spike. Thereby catching spike will be made easy. Addition to the strategy, guys, this is the keynote I'm showing you. Use it wisely, guys. Okay, let's check out boom 500 index. Boom 500 index. Okay, I'm trying to see if we can get an entry. No entry. Boom 1000. Boom 1000 is still on the downtrend. It's on the downtrend, yeah. And as you can see from here, the downtrend is massive, guys. So when you see this kind of downtrend, you can simply avoid the market. You can see, but it crossed below the red moving average, crossed below it, you get a spike. So this kind of market, guys, I'll advise you to avoid it. Why? It will spike, but the spike might not worth it. Yeah, can see it's on the downtrend. So the only point you should be expecting this spike is at this resistance level, this junction, guys. That's where you should be expecting the force to push it backwards. So even if you get a spike, it will be small one, like a baby spike. You can see these small spikes, it might be like that. So that won't really worth it. So you can avoid such market. But guys, it's gonna spike. It's gonna spike. The conditions are met here. Like I said, red moving average to cross below the green moving the green line will give you a spike for boom. But for crash, when the red moving average cross above the green line, you get a spike for crash. This is crash 500 index. It is on the market is on consolidation, and this is also a very good time to use the strategy. Of course, it's a very good time. This is 1 minute time frame. The zoom level for this strategy is the third zoom level. Use the third zoom level for this strategy. Yeah, the third zoom level. Please, third zoom level, 10 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame for the strategy. You can check out for support and resistance level at the 5 and 15 minute time frame. Of course, at the 5 and 15 minute time frame using this strategy. Guys, once again, subscribe to Forex Success. Drop good comments. Guys, we got another spike. Like I said, I told you it's gonna keep on selling. Look at it. Look at it. I told you the black bar indicates another spike. And then we got another spike. You can see 5 minute time frame. I told you it's going to sell down to this point. Yeah, it's going to sell down to this point, and it's still selling. Look at it for 15 minute time frame. It's going to sell down to this point where we'll be taking profit with this strategy. So that's why the 1 minute time frame with the strategy give you a perfect entry. Why the 15 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame will let you know how long that the trade or the movement might last, so that you will know when and how to take profit using the strategy. Please, guys, please follow the strategy. There is no magic in it. Follow it and you get the results. If you keep on doing the same thing you were doing before, you'll be getting same results.